Action! Hey everybody, this is Kyle Cease. And you probably either already know that, or odds are even better, you don't know that. But in any event, there was no reason for me to say it, because if you didn't know it, you're not watching at this point anymore. And if you did know it, sorry to tell you what you know, but just keep watching because I have something really awesome for you. And not I have like all the people like, oh, I have a present for you. If you just give me your email, I'll give you the 7 steps to corn. Not that shit. First of all, if you don't know, I'm going to be doing the Dolby Theatre, which is where they do the Oscars. We're going to be doing our Evolving Out Loud event there. It's going to be 3,400 people in a crazy 2-day event of immersing yourself in your heart and your soul and your comedy and all these other things that sound cliche, but when you actually show up and do it, it's going to be nuts. Now, we've done many of these events. They're awesome, they're life-changing, and they've all been these crazy 2 days. And for the first time, I kind of was thinking about it and feeling into it and thought, there would be nothing more exciting than doing it for an audience that has been working on this stuff already for like a month before. So for the first time ever, we're going to add for free for everybody who has tickets already, 5 weeks, 1 call a week of interactive video calls where people coming to the Dolby can connect with me and the other people who are coming. Get to know the people that are coming, and you can ask me questions. You can ask me things that'll help you get into the moment. You can ask me things that'll help you prepare for it. You can ask me things that can help you let go of certain things. This is really exciting because now the Dolby event isn't just a 2-day event. Now it's 5 weeks and 2 days. This is really cool because for 5 weeks now, you can do the work, you can prepare, you can get ready, you can get in alignment, you can co-create, you can play, you can meet so many other people who are coming, who are also assets for you. And then you show up at the Dolby Theatre, ready to go, primed, excited, and we can connect on a much more intimate level before we go into this crazy, huge, and also intimate theater. So just so you know, if you are coming to the Dolby Theatre, you're already free to come to this. Just let us know if you want to do it. Their information's below on how to do that. If you don't have tickets, grab them because there's only 2 sections left at the Dolby Theatre and they are selling really, really quick. But now if you come, you're not just coming to the 2-day. Now you get 5 weeks leading up to it of calls with me, with the other people where you can ask me questions, we can connect and really allow ourselves to get into an amazing space so that when we all show up, we can move even faster and better and do even more. I can't wait to see you on the calls. I can't wait to see you guys there. Let's have an amazing summer. Let's change our lives, not only for ourselves, but for the people around us, and then accidentally as a byproduct, maybe the world too.